Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you want to add address to your Shopee account, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can do that. So watch the video till the end and let's find out. The first thing you need to do is to go to open your Shopee application. So once you open your application, you will be by default on the home tab. From there you need to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, the next thing you need to do is to go to the settings. You will find the icon here. And once you tap on that one, just in my account section, you will find my addresses. You need to tap on my addresses. And here, as you can see, there is one existing address that I am using currently. But if I want to add another address, so if you don't have any address, so here will be the option that add an address. But if you have an existing one and you want to update to another one because maybe you have changed places, so you can just tap on add address. From here, you can enter your full name, your phone number, and then province, district, sub-district. If you tap on that one, it will show you here. You can select one by one. So once you're done, then you need to enter the street name, building, house number here. And if you want to keep that as a default address, that anything that you order and the address will be added as a default to that order, so you need to just enable this one. And you can label it as a workplace or a home. So this is how you can add address, and then once everything is done, you need to just tap on submit right at the bottom. It will be showing after you fill in all the details. So guys, this is all it takes to add an address in Shopee application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.